Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we will be learning how to create a new account on FastBull charts. So first of all, open a web browser and type in fastbull.com in the URL box and search. You'll end up in this official homepage for FastBull. Go to the upper right corner from the home screen and click on the Open Account button. Now you will see this login page. Simply click on Sign Up from the bottom, and then you can sign up with providing phone number or email or pro code. Simply choose between one of them. I'm going to choose the email option. Whichever option you've chosen, go ahead and fill in the info. If you've chosen phone number, go ahead and enter your phone number and then your password. If you've chosen email address, enter a valid email address and then type in your password on the next field. While creating a password, make sure you are typing in a strong password which will be easier for you to remember next time. Finally, click sign up and you'll receive a verification email sent to you via your email inbox. Go check your email inbox for the email that you've provided. Open the email and you'll receive a 4-digit code. Simply go ahead and paste it in exactly as it appears and click submit. Now you have successfully logged into your FastBull account. Your login ID will be displayed over here. This lets you log in and add friends. You can take a screenshot of the page in order to get fast access for your ID later. Once you are done, head over to the next field and enter your name, enter your alias and gender. You can also upload a profile picture for yourself at the top and click next. Answer some of the questions to the bot and answer some of the questions again. And finally, you have finished off your account creation process. Once you are logged in, you can then view your live forex or crypto charts, use indicators and tools, share your chart ideas and follow traders. So that's how you sign up for FastBull chart account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.